The principal, with great joy, I am happy to declare the centenary year of the Bosco Technical School, Shillong, open.
And experienced in the measure in which we are in touch with your only begotten Son, Jesus Christ. Thank you for what Jesus is to each one of us. We must immediately add to the spirit of Don Bosco, our father and founder, that all what we have been able to achieve in the past 100 years here in Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, have been the miracle of Mary, the mother of Jesus, and the help of Christians.
Don Bosco Technical School laitumkhrah Shillong kawei ni shlem jinghikai bat jingiarap iaki khynnah kum ban training iaki bat ban pyntbit iaki hakisap bapher naduh ki carpentry ki motor mechanic ki electrician ki IT course bat bun kiwei ki jingikai myntaka sngi plié pyrda ki jingrakhe dap Shispah Snem jongka in pynkut ki jingrakhe Centenary kawei tarik Nohprah arpulai lasdang ki tiga sngi sedang ki Centenary da kamas bakhoi bala pyn-mynta Phadar Paul ulingkot Provincial jongka Shillong Province, haka jingadon lang ki Phadar, ki brother, ki past people, ki cooperator, but ki khynnah school jongka Don Bosco Technical School, but kiwei day. Phadar Provincial ulapin kan ya baro, baka Centenary ki jingrakhe ya ro, kum kamaria ye ki kamba bobleu lale haka seng solution, but haka province. Ulong shushu baka Centenary ki ban pin kan ngi babaro ki jingle jingkam bat jingdon jingem, ki jingai baki jingrakhu jong blei ka jingla ne jingkrau jong kinong tre.
Jubilate, jubilate, jubilate Deo.
My soul magnifies the Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior. These are the words which comes from the depths of our Blessed Mother. Now, two things we can ask. Which is, first, to proclaim the greatness of the Lord, or to rejoice with the Lord? To rejoice with the Lord. Our Blessed Mother here proclaim the greatness of God, the greatness of God, because she has experienced a lot in her life, and this proclamation comes from within. It doesn't come from without, but from within, from her heart, from her soul, and that's why she sang this hymn. She said, "For ye look on the humble estate of a servant." She was nothing. She was nothing in front of God. But due to the greatness of God, due to the love of God, and God filled her completely with Him, and that's why she proclaimed.
Hadian kamas pakot ladon ka jingpli ka Centenary haba ikong amprin lingdo ibala syakot kum ikong san jong ketiga program ila shimbentaru da kirang ba shnong jong laitumkhrah. Father Saji Stephen ubade rector jong ketiga jaka puli hak kentin piang sngob hajong ulapin benaru bakum ka jing aingo yo blei na ka benta ka Shispah Snem kin ai jinghikai ya 1000 ngot ki khynnah ki baduk ka jinghikai bapher kin ai 1000 unit ka snami ki nongpang kin ai scholarship ya 1000 ngot ki khynnah ki baduk lingba ka jingdon benta lang jong ki past people bat du kin penyeng da ka ying school thamai kumban kin mawi ka jingdap Shispah Snem indala dep pin benayu Snem Centenary de ikong san ka te ka sngi ladon ru ka jingpli bat jing ot ribbon ban pli ya ki course pathamai Habakren na katiga sngi kong sani kong amprin ilong baka jingdon jakani ka technical school kalaiarap shibon ye ki khynnah puli khamtam ye ki beduk kitu ki bamla shu ban beteng ban puli khambiang shakman ilaban rap shu da ka boong bakani ka shlem jinghikai kala pli lat pli rinti ki babon ban pyntbit ha ki skill bapher bat kanang kentiu shu ye ki khynnah samla bekim de ban sa din bat ki de ban yat bet shakman kanang ban yo jimin toy lade kala pen shloru ye ki khynnah ba anda kala dep jing puli jongki ki de ban seng de ki kambaret Baria. Hakani kasngi lapin ipo ipieng deki program bal lingkot balai myntaka deki khynnah jongka don Bosco Technical School.
If you look back 50 years, when the state of Meghalaya was born, nobody in their greatest imaginations could believe that this institution would bring out valuable, skilled artisans who would be of tremendous value to the communities around us. Today, what started as a carpentry and a mechanic center for those that had no skills for higher and technical education, one would never imagine that today this institution houses the most modern of skilled programs. Whenever my father would have a problem with his vehicle, he would immediately come to the mechanical center workshop here in Don Bosco Technical School. Subsequently, because of the skill training of those pioneers who dared to defy the normal path of an individual's life, they dared to go to school only till class 10, and they came here to gain for themselves a knowledge of higher value. Soon we saw mechanical workshops spread throughout the state of Meghalaya. At one point of time, these workshops were difficult to man, but today we have state-of-the-art automobile workshops across the state of Meghalaya. The kind of generation of employment which at that time likely was never fully realized.